Hi everybody, I'm Danni Dancer. I'm the social studies educator here at Children's Museum Houston, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make your own paper tulips. So tulips for Nowruz symbolize things that are new and fresh. Because we are starting the spring equinox, we want to have things that are bright, colorful, and very spring-like. So I'm going to show you how you can make these tulips at home using some pretty simple materials. To make your paper tulips, you will need crepe paper in a variety of colors, a half sheet of paper, some scissors, and a glue stick, a pencil, and if you'd like, you can use electrical tape, otherwise masking or scotch tape will work as well. First, we're going to make one of the flowers. For this, you need 5 pieces of your crepe paper that are each about 6 inches long. If you don't have crepe paper, you can use tissue paper instead. Take one piece and fold it in half. Then, at the halfway mark, twist your paper 2 times, like that. Next, fold it in half. Then we're going to take the 2 bottom pieces and twist them together. Keep your thumb in the middle to give it a little bit of a curve. And this is what our petal looks like when we're done. And we're going to repeat this 4 more times. Next, take 3 of your petals and put them together to form a bit of a circle, just like this. And then we're going to take a small piece of electrical tape and wrap it around the bottoms. I like using electrical tape because it has a little bit of a stretch to it, but you do have to cut it with scissors. So if you prefer to use masking tape or scotch tape, that'll work just fine. Now we're going to take our 2 additional petals and place them on either side of the flower and tape those in place as well. All right, our tulip flower is done. Now it's time to give it a stem. Take your half sheet of paper and your pencil. Starting in one corner, roll your paper around the pencil as tightly as you can. Once your pencil starts to disappear, go ahead and pull that out and continue rolling the rest of the way. When you get to the end, use your glue stick to seal it in place. Now, if you'd like to add a leaf to your tulip, take a piece of green crepe paper. This one can be pretty long, a little bit more than a foot. Fold about 4 inches off of one end. And just like we did before, do 2 twists in the middle. Fold it in half. Then at this open end, the shorter one, we're going to twist it in place with the longer end. Just like that. So this will be our leaf. If you want, you can fold it in half, or you can kind of crimp it back and forth or flip one end out to give it a little bit more leaf-like qualities. Now we're going to take this, we're going to attach it towards the top of our stem by simply wrapping the bottom end around, just like this. And when you get to the end, you can add some glue to attach it to your paper. Two more steps to go. First, we need to attach our flower. So for that, you can take the ends that are sticking out from the bottom of your tulip, and as best you can kind of poke them inside your stem. It's okay if they don't fit perfectly, because we're going to add a little bit more tape to hold it in place. Just like that. Finally, Take one more long piece of green crepe paper, put some glue on one end, and wrap it just underneath your flower so that it covers that tape. Then continue your way down the stem. You'll have to move the leaf out of the way if you did add a leaf to begin with. Then you can flip your leaf back up and continue till you get to the bottom. Add your glue to hold everything in place. Cut off the end with your scissors, and your flower is complete. And there you have it. You can make as many tulips as you like. You can make them in all different colors. And when you're all done, you can bundle them together or put them in a vase out on the table. Thanks everybody for joining me for making paper tulips. I hope you have fun with this project at home.